You could touch on some of the most challenging aspects you have in terms of your sample preparation.
I don't have a lot of in-depth sample preparation, but there's things that we definitely have to consider when we're looking to analyze anything by specifically just gas chromatography. So matrix complexity is one thing. Some of these samples that we get in from our partners have a wide range of volatilities, polarities, viscosities, all kinds of stuff, right? So we need to make sure that we're not losing those light end species if those light end species are of interest, while also making sure we're getting those heavier high boilers in solution. So we can actually look at them by GC. Obviously, if something can't be volatilized, it usually doesn't come to me in general. We have other capabilities that are better for those types of samples. Another thing we look at is just trace level detection. If those contaminants are of concern, we also need to think about what compounds are in our samples that are at really high concentrations. Is that going to affect our analysis in terms of looking at those trace contaminants that are of interest? Do we have an idea of what those trace contaminants are? Do we just not know anything and we're looking for whatever might be there, right? So we need to think of the big picture. They always come to you and they're like, oh, I want to look for this particular compound. But in terms of running the whole analysis, that might not be the best way to approach the problem. Another thing we look at is the instrument compatibility. So thinking about sensitivity in terms of those trace analysis again, or if you're looking for sulfur, and like specifically, we would move towards the sulfur detector. And there's things to consider in terms of, is this going to damage my instrument?